It's interesting who sees these stories and looks at them and says, oh, they pick up the phone or send an email. Can we talk? I watched your video. I'm really interested in XYZ. So, for example, only yesterday I was on a conference call. There's an inventor here in Wales who's developed a way, it involves different density fluids. It's a complicated system, but it's actually very simple science to generate electricity. Now, it's not going to generate what a big-scale windmill is, but it's going to generate electricity. He's interested in how to be involved with the RICE project because his system's quite easy, but he needs a big site to do it on, and he's got one on the side of his house, and he wants to do one on an industrial site, but doesn't know what to do with the electricity. And he saw our video of the hydrogen rig, and he saw Charlie's description and demonstration on the website. And he was like, oh, wow, these guys are actually going and doing stuff. So we talked, and we've got an agreement together now, and we're going to look for an opportunity, maybe on one of our demonstration sites, where we will build a much bigger version of his unit, which will essentially generates a certain amount of electricity. It uses about a third for a pump to keep it going, but essentially is a way of getting free electricity. We're going to combine that with our electrolyzer. So now you're demonstrating technology that wasn't part of the RICE project, but it's been brought into the fold, if you like. And it's all because he saw the video.